Hey everyone, welcome back to today's video. Today we are going to give you unbiased review on the product Snatch Me Up Bandage Wrap. As people from United States are very curious to know about this product because these products are very common and there are many kinds of adjustable wraps that have the same use. Let's check out the Snatch Me Up Bandage Wrap. It is a bandage wrap, a type of belt wrapped around the waist to give you support for the whole day. These belts are created to give you comfort the whole day while not restricting your movement or motion throughout the day. This product is commonly used by the people suffering from low back pains, lumbar pains, sore muscles, joints, and even tendons. So, how you can use this product is you all need to do is stretch this wrap around your waist equally throughout and close it. Then you can adjust how tight you want it around your waist. Since it is adjustable, it does not strain your muscle but instead gives you support. This product is made from polyester, which shows the material can withhold long period of wear and tear. The specification of Snatch Me Up Bandage Wrap are: it is available for 25.49 US dollars. Its length is about 110.2 inches and width is about 3.9 inches. The 95% polyester has been used in this product. The advantages of the product are free size material, therefore there can be no size issue. It is made to aid people with lower back issues. It is made with polyester material. This product can withstand a long time of wear and tear. It is available in different colors to match your clothing. Disadvantages of the product are: quality cannot be accounted for till you buy it. It can be time taking to put it on. It can also lead to restriction of blood flow if worn every day depending on its tightness. So the question is product genuine? This brand for the product is unconfirmed since we have found three manufacturers of the same such as OEM, Young and Liveger. It has 22 reviews on only one e-commerce site called deltobest.com. All of these are positive. On the other side, like Amazon, there are absolutely no review that is highly suspicious in themselves. The offers on this product: buy 2 save 10%, buy 3 save 15%. Genuine buyers are critical in their reviews to write-ups, yet there no review of the product could be found. The product does not have a specific brand name, so it is difficult to trust this product. There are several reviews of these products on a single e-commerce site which all are 5-star rating. This is highly suspicious since this product has no social media presence and no reviews on them. The offers on them are too good to be true. A genuine product will have certain mixed reviews that would show that the product has been used, and this product has none of that. So we recommend you all not to buy this product, and if you need such product, you go for some genuine product. And please, if you have used this product, share your experience with us. Write in the comment box of using your experience of this product.